Do you want to grow your YouTube channel quickly? In this digital age, having a thriving YouTube channel is crucial. We're here to guide you step by step towards rapid growth. Stay tuned if you want to attract more viewers and subscribers in no time. The first step to rapid growth is understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they enjoy? How do they engage with your content? Gaining this insight allows you to fine-tune your content to their preferences, boosting both views and subscribers. Remember, the key is to create content that your audience wants to see. Quality content is the king in the YouTube world. It's essential to craft videos that are engaging, clear and concise, yet entertaining. This delicate balance is what keeps viewers hooked, compelling them to return for more. Remember, high-quality content equals more views and subscribers. Next, make your content discoverable. By embedding relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions and tags, you effectively flag down the YouTube search algorithm. This simple yet significant strategy can skyrocket your visibility, drawing more views and subscribers. SEO is your secret weapon for attracting more viewers. Lastly, don't forget to promote your channel. Harness the power of social media platforms, share your content far and wide, collaborate with fellow YouTubers. It's a win-win game. Encourage viewers to subscribe and share. They're your best ambassadors. Promotion is the final step to skyrocket your YouTube growth. Now you know the secrets to rapid YouTube growth. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, refining your content, harnessing the power of SEO, and promoting your channel effectively. Implement these strategies today and watch your YouTube channel grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.